Hi, this is ICT 8. This is a lesson on Microsoft Word. So let's start Microsoft Word up. Okay, we want to click blank and we want to click create. So when you're using Word, so you just type. And you don't press return to start a new line. You let Microsoft Word do that for you. Okay, so when it's actually the end of the paragraph, you hit enter. And Microsoft Word will give you some hints. And when you have a spelling error, it will underline it in red. And I right click and it will give me suggestions on how to spell it correctly. So don't always pick the first one. It might actually be one of the other options. Use an intelligent choice. So spelling, so that fixes it. Okay, for your first assignment, you want to just type in a story. And if you're stuck about how to write a story, you just start off with an idea. Okay, we start off with just a simple sentence. And what we want to do is add adjectives and adverbs so we can do font changes to our story, such as color, font type, and font size. Okay, and be specific for leaders. And the more adverbs and adjectives you write, the fewer sentences you need to write to make your story. And for our assignment, our story is going to be at least 150 words, but 300 words is better, and we have a maximum of 600 words. And you can see your word count down at the bottom. So once you got your idea, just expand on it. The sun was shining brightly in the clear blue sky that had just a few whispery clouds. Okay, so again, use adverbs and adjectives to fill in your sentences. What you want to do is paint a picture for the reader. You have a picture in your mind of what the story is about, but you need to convey that to your reader. So just expand on this. On the way, he came across a dog. Okay, let's be more specific, and that will add detail to our story. So this isn't very interesting. He came across a German Shepherd. So let's change that. A German Shepherd instantly appeared in front of him. Okay, so that's more controversial. Your story's more interesting if you have twists and controversy or have growth of a character. You could say the dog looked lost because there was no owner around. Okay, so we just build the story. You want to write 3 paragraphs. Change paragraphs when you are changing time, place, or speaker. Okay, if you go like Bob said this, you need a new paragraph. Carol said this, new paragraph. If you're going from 1 hour to the next hour or to the next day, that's changing time. If you're going from school to home, that's changing place. So make sure you form proper paragraphs. And now you should be able to save your file. So save as. Don't save it as document 1. Don't save it as short story. Give it a proper name. So the magical dog. Okay, make sure you save it to documents. Do not try to save it anywhere else. Otherwise, you will have trouble finding it. And click Save. Don't change the file format either. And then click Save. And again, this should be backed up to the network. So click on the globe. It'll load up your home folder. Click on Documents. Click on your file. Again, make sure your mouse is close to your network folder. You don't have to click over here, and click and drag, and it will copy it. And if you gave your file the wrong name, click on it once and change it to whatever you want. And then back it up. And that completes this lesson.